I started out my day on 11:50 a.m. radio in Denver, Colorado. My co-host, America Carvajal. I do the program once a week with America when I'm not traveling. Afterwards, I went outside to face a freezing cold one more time. You can get by with boondocking in the winter in Denver, Colorado in most years, but not this year. When it's not snowing, it's icy. When it's not snowing and icy, it's just plain frigid cold. This has been probably the most difficult winter I can remember. And boondocking in this place has been, honestly, just miserable. In such slick conditions, you have to be very, very careful where you park, because someone could slide into you in the middle of the night. And in my kind of vehicle, that could be deadly. Why don't you leave? Some people say. If it's so cold, why hang around? And the answer is, well, I'm kind of stuck. I have some things I have to do, and I can't leave until I get them done. So here I am, living in winter and learning how to make the best of it. Well, it's a good experience. Bob Wells, of cheapRVliving fame, lived in Alaska for 6 years. Let's just say he's smarter than I am, because he's living in the desert right now. At least the geese know how to stay warm in winter. Except you'll notice this fellow is having to lift his foot. He's so cold. Maybe that's a trick I should learn. You can learn a lot from the people and animals around you if you just pay a little attention. Notice our wide streets, perfect for parking a van. And it's so cold, no one's going to look to see whether you're staying in yours or not. And of course, the secret to it all is a warm meal. You have to know where to find those. Well, this is Tim Painter from the Vanlife, wishing you all the best. If you like what you see, please hit like. Be sure to leave your comments. I read every one, and I really appreciate it. And of course, most of all, it's important to subscribe and hit that bell thingy so you don't miss any of our great videos. Well, this is Tim Painter from a frigid Denver, Colorado, wishing you all the very best.